In Nunavut, where temperatures drop and the terrain never quits, machines don't just run, they survive.
At Combustion Performance, we power Arctic adventures, snowmobiles, ATVs, boats, and everything in between.
Whether it's diagnostics, tuning, or full engine rebuilds, we get your machine back stronger than ever.
Our service covers it all: marine, automotive, and powersports, built for Arctic conditions.
Need a ride, gear, or financing? We've got everything you need, when you need it.
From welding and fabrication to full custom builds, our shop brings power and precision together.
We're more than a repair shop. We're training Inuit youth, building careers, and investing in Nunavut's future. Combustion Performance Inc. Ride, repair, explore, Arctic built, purpose-driven.